All right, Gary, let's go do some hauling.
Oh, it's it, man.
This old Ford pickup.
55.
55 Ford F100.
And it's got a Ford engine in it.
It does? Oh, yeah. It's got a 351 Cleveland engine. It was big block Ford. It's got a Monte Carlo front clip, though. Kind of cool, because it's got disc brakes and power steering and scrapes when you go out driveways.
Yeah, it sits low in the front.
But pretty cool overall, man. I mean, just like a stock 351 Cleveland, a couple chrome goodies on there.
Yeah.
It's got a
FMX tranny.
FMX, which is a 3-speed, right?
Yep.
3-speed automatic Ford trans.
Yep, they put that behind the older big blocks.
It's got a 9-inch with 373 gears in it. It's got some old American racing wheels on there. You know, this is kind of like a project truck, you know? It looks cool, you can cruise around.
Got a reverse tilt hood.
Oh yeah, that's right. They got that special hood they put on there. It looks kind of cool when it's opened up. Got a little aftermarket stereo, a floor shifter. You know, got a tilt steering column in there.
Yep.
You know, need some interior stuff here and there. You know, it's got nice carpet on it. The seat's not ripped or torn. The bed just got a rubber mat back there. But it's a kind of work in progress. If you want to do your own thing to it, you want to paint it, you want to leave it the way it is.
Yeah, it drives good.
Yep. It's not 50 grand like a lot of these trucks are now.
Oh yeah.
So about half that. So kind of a fun old truck.
Yeah. No, it drives decent. You know, it's got a big bench seat here. You can bring your girl next to you.
Bring your girl with you. That's right.
If she wants to go.
Exactly. If she wants to. Or if she throws you out.
Yeah. I can live in it.
Almost. Pretty cool old truck though. We're gonna come up here to our picture spot and give you a little closer look at everything. All right, here's our new addition to California cars. 1955 Ford F100 pickup. These are great little trucks. They've been popular actually for quite a while. Some of them are getting expensive too, but this is an inexpensive one. You know, paint's old, kind of's got the look of an old farm truck, which is cool. Look at it, fit right in right there. See me Strathen Historical Park. Anyhow, this one's got a 351 Cleveland in it, big block. It's got a FMX automatic 3-speed transmission. It has a 9-inch rear end with a 373 ratio. It's got a Monte Carlo front clip up front. A lot of the old trucks, people do that because it, you know, it gives you all the modern features of for the suspension. So it rides nice. It's got disc brakes. It's got power steering. Got these old Americans on there. Bigs and littles. Nice chrome grille. So there's just like a canvas. You can do more to it. You want to mint it out, go for it. You want to leave it the way it is, you can leave it outside. You don't have to put it in the garage. It doesn't have an awesome oak bed that has to be cared for. So, you know, it's kind of dual purpose right now. I'll show you the interior. It's got like a gray tweed and vinyl seat, nice and comfortable. Some gray carpeting. The dash is all metal like they used to be. No dash pads or anything on these things. It's got aftermarket Pioneer stereo system in there. Also has some gauges, nice to have, so you know what's going on. And under the hood, it's got tilt steering wheel. Of course, the factory speedometer and odometer. You know, a headliner needs to be done. Like I said, it's got some faded paint. We polished it up and it looks pretty good though, actually. It was a little milkier when we got it. But it's got that custom black California plate, styling 55. Nice tail lights. Pretty cool old truck overall. Won't break the bank. All right, here's the power plant in the F100 55 Ford. Like I said, it's got a 351 Cleveland in there. It's got a little aluminum intake, Edelbrock carburetor, Edelbrock air cleaner. Got a theme going there. But it's got some Sigurds and cam valve covers on there. You know, nice radiator. This has that tilt hood front end, which actually is kind of neat. It's easy to work on the motor this way too if you want to get under there and play. MSD distributor. Doesn't have headers. Got cast iron exhaust manifolds, which means they won't come loose probably. But there's the power steering and the brake masters underneath the floor in these old trucks. So got the power brakes and MSD over there. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. One more time, Gary. There we go. Nice, smooth running little truck, you know? Not bad at all. Walk around the other side. Pretty neat, not too much to do, just get in it and drive it. Cosmetics is the only thing left to do if you want to make it nicer. It's got dual exhaust. Yeah, sounds good. It's a healthy little big block. Anyway, if you want to come out and check it out in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. And the phone number here is 818-591-1313. You can speak to myself, I'm Rich, or Gary, it's in the truck over there, and be happy to give you a tour. Thanks for watching.